Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you guys live from my home office here in Texas. And today we're going to be unboxing FabFitFun. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. All right, guys, this is going to be a very quick brief summary of what FabFitFun is. I don't know about you guys, but I've seen FabFitFun all over social media for you. Maybe they've been stalking me and I saw so many videos on it. I just definitely had to dive into this subscription. So this is definitely new for our channel. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box. So different from beauty, fashion, pet subscriptions. This is a lifestyle just fit for you. The perfect thing about this subscription, which is why I had to dive deep into it, was you get to customize your own box. If you're an annual member, you get to customize your box basically more than a regular quarterly member. So this is not a monthly subscription. This isn't, you either do it annually or you do it quarterly. If you do quarterly, the beauty of the quarterly the beauty of any of the subscriptions is that you get to start off with, and there's my dog, you get to start off with a cheaper subscription. So you get the beauty of having, if you're interested in, or if you like what you see in this video, you get to use the coupon code of Rainbow, and that gives you $10 off. So rather than paying $49.95 for your first box, you pay $39.95, which is exactly what I paid for my box. So I'll put the coupon code below, and I'll put FabFitFun's link in the description. But let's not waste any time. Let's just see if this is worth it. That's kind of what I'm curious about, since this is my very first box. So let's see what it looks like, and it is as beautiful as I have seen on YouTube. So you see there, very purpley pink, and it says FabFitFun Spring 2019. There is Venus Williams, and according to, and I'm gonna put this away so from the camera. So from what I've seen in other subscription boxes, inside the magazine, it gives you a description of everything you could have chosen, and it sure does on the second page. So I'm not going to dive deep into that. I'll see what I get first before we dive deep into that part. So the very first thing I see in my box is a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. I've seen HelloFresh all over the place. I can't wait to use that. I've heard from other subscribers of HelloFresh that a $50 gift card is actually a free order because of the prices that they offer. So I'm definitely using that one. So let us see, and I'll let you guys see along with me too. So you see here, I'm gonna unwrap the tissue paper so we can see exactly what is in, so you guys can see the minute that I find out. So there is my entire box of goodies. Woo! I've seen so many unboxings of this video. of FabFitFun that seriously, I was doing research so many times that I don't even know where to start. Okay, so we will start with this. So this is by Venus Williams, who was on the cover of the magazine there that you guys saw. And this was a part that if you were an annual subscriber, you could have chosen this portion. So this was like a mystery for me. I didn't know you could have gotten any of these items here. So you see that there's a jump rope. You could have gotten the face cleanser. You could have gotten a detox brush, a necklace, a Ciate London powder, or a bottle by Swell. So I got the jump rope. This is a value of $15, and it says, ready to up your fitness game? We partnered with tennis star Venus Williams to create a high quality jump rope that will help you take your workouts to the next level. This is value of $15. It says to tip, if you're a FabFitFun member, you can check out the FabFitFun TV for exclusive jump rope workouts. So definitely looking forward to trying that out. And the next thing I see in my box, I feel like skipping it, but I'm not. I will skip it. This is from Way, and as you can see, I have curly hair, so this is perfect. I am so excited to use this because I've heard so much good things about it. This is Way, and this is actually leave-in conditioner, and let me find out what this does for you guys so you guys can take a look. Where are you, Way? Where are you, Way? Oh, here we go. Okay, so Way is $26 value, and we're obsessed with it. It works it works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair, moisturizing properties, and enhance heat protection. Definitely excited to try that. And next thing we have here is, I wanted this super bad just to see how this works. This is Dr. Brandt, No More Baggage. So this, where are you, Dr. Brandt? Dr. Brandt, where are ya? Where are you, Doctor? Oh, here we go. Sorry. Okay, so this is a value of $42, and what this is, visibly reduces the look of too close for you guys, but it visibly reduces the under eye bags and dark circles that will break through. So with this breakthrough solution, value of $42. I have under eye dark circles because I have allergies, so I'm always bothering my eyes. This summer was like horrible for me, so that's something I definitely look forward to. And I know that this actually, I'm gonna do this really quickly so you guys can see what else came through. I know that this is like a pink salmon-y color, and I'll try to see if I can grab some out. Okay, there we go. So it comes in that pink salmon color, but supposedly that because of if you have dark circles on your eye, it kind of it straightens out the color, so it doesn't look weird. I know that throws people off, but let me rub this in, and it actually smells pretty good. So I've never tried Dr. Brandt, especially for eyes. I heard that they have a great skincare line, so I'm definitely excited to try that one. And let me take a look. Now this is what I was actually waiting for, because here in Texas it's already summertime, so I wanted to rock out my sunglasses already. The other day, it was like on my birthday a couple of days ago, it was like 90 degrees already, which it's March, and yeah, it's 90 degrees, so we definitely needed to rock out. I needed my glasses like super fresh, super fast, so let me take a look to see so you guys can see. These are, and I'm so excited to get these. These are Way Australian glasses by Vivine in Black Smoke. So they come in this nice bag, and these are a value of $60. These are the ones, you had two choices. Let me show you the choices before I move forward. You had two choices. You could have either gotten these or you could have gotten these, and you had a choice of getting these also. I wanted glasses, I needed a new pair, so I got these, but you could have gotten these with the high top. So let me see how they look. I'm ready to go. And love it. I love aviator glasses, so I'm definitely excited to try those. Love it. What is next in my bag? Let me see. All right, and the next thing I have in my box is, it says the Two Bandits necklace, and you guys can see that there. Let me find out what it says. The value of Two Bandits is, where are you? Okay, sorry. Two Bandits necklace, this is a value of $30. Simple yet elegant and iridescent necklace is a timeless piece to add to your collection. Nice, love it. I don't have anything like this in my jewelry collection, so I definitely am looking forward to adding this when I go out. It would actually have been perfect for today, but we digress. And the next thing I have in my box is, this is from Levito. I've heard a lot of people liking the scent from this, so let me just take a look and see where Levito is. Levito, this is, okay, making sure you guys can see it. This is a value of $19. This hydrate, nourish, and protect this delicious scent citrus body lotion is dermatology tested and formulated for all skin types. Let's take a look and see how this one, and it has a safety seal. So let's take a look. And it actually does have a touch of citrus. So not crazy, because I'm not like a super lemony person. So let me take a look. Oh, and it actually smells really good. So I'm definitely looking forward to adding that. And this is by Levito, and it's called Mandarin Orange and Bergamot Lotion. So Love it, love it, love it. This is actually one of the things with the glasses, of course. This is one of the things I was excited to try. This is from Manicadar. I already know it, I don't even have to look at it. This is from Manicadar. Where are you? Manicadar Champagne Body Scrub. So you guys can see that, how pretty. I love rose gold. If you guys can see that there. This is formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt from polish, hydrated, and refreshed skin. This is the value of $24. And I'm gonna take a look. I know it's sealed, and that sucks, but we're gonna sneak here and see what it looks like inside so that you guys can take a look to see what's inside. So let's see how it looks. If it's charcoal, you guys can guess what color it is. But, oh, and you guys can see that right there. And I'm not gonna open it up because I don't want it to burst on my hand. It smells exactly like champagne, which is super weird. All right, and the very last thing, I believe, yep, the very last thing in my box is the Show Me Your Moo robe. Guys, seriously, I haven't had a robe in years, so I was definitely excited to try this one. I'm not gonna take it out because I don't know. I don't want to take it out yet, but you guys can see it's right here. Show Me Your Moo, and this is one size. I know for sure it was like a one size fit all, and everyone that I seen try that on, it fit them. So this is Show Me Your Moo. Just stepped out of the shower, planning a day lounging, slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and high-low hem. And this is a retail value of $84. So I'm gonna recap everything that you guys, so that you guys can see exactly how you can customize your box. So if you're starting off, again, make sure you use the word rainbow and coupon as your coupon code when you check out at the link below, because then you can get that discount. You can pay $39.99 like I did. But so the things that you can customize on your box, just in case you're kind of curious as to what else you can get beside what I chose. So the very first line you see there, you can either get the robe, you can get, what is this? This is a deluxe backpack, and that's a value of $75. Or this item here, which was a diffuser, which had a value of $55. So that's what you could have chosen. And then the second line is what you guys can see here. This was the glasses, is this kind of glasses, the picnic set, or sleeping facial brightener moisturizer. And then another thing here was either a mystery item or measuring spoons, which I saw these were in copper. I saw someone else unbox that. And then these are not, unless you're an annual member, these are not customizable. So these are not things that you can choose. And then same thing down here. If you're just a quarterly member, those are not items that you can choose. But if you take a look at the value of those items, and you can pause this video if you have to, the value of those items, the lowest item here was, let me take a look, looks like $15, and that was for the jump rope. And then the highest item that you could have gotten here looks to be $42 on this page. Yeah, $42. So I wouldn't mind getting any of those items. So I love this box. If you have seen FabFitFun all over social media, I would say, I've seen different celebrities unbox it. I would say this is definitely worth the value of it. So with that being said, definitely use the word rainbow, which is FabFitFun's coupon code for you guys, and use the link below, and that will get you automatically that $10 off. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know if you've gotten this box before. Let me know if you like this box. Are we twins? Did you guys get the same thing that I got? Let me know if you love this box. So let me know what your favorite item is. I think my favorite item is the robe and the sunglasses. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and see you on the next video.